This has been my keyboard for the last couple of years. It's a little logical keyboard that works with Bluetooth both on Mac and Windows. It's a good one. But I was looking for a full-size keyboard as it can make my work much faster, especially on Photoshop and Blender. After a lot of search, I decided to get the Keychron K10, but it was out of stock. Now I know why. Because the new K10pro is coming. I looked for videos about it on YouTube, but I could find nothing, so I had to make one. This is my first mechanical keyboard, so don't expect any comparisons. I just know that compared to the previous one, and basically anything I've experienced, this was quite hefty, heavy, good quality feeling, and very good sounding. I was looking for a keyboard that can work both on Mac and Windows, and both wired and wireless. So this one was ticking all the boxes. Also, the design is nice. Personally, I preferred the K10 as it was a little bit sharper and boxier. This one is a little bit soft on the edges. But now that I have it here, I'm feeling pretty good. It's simple enough, looks good, and the colors are interesting. Though, I think finally I'll find some keycaps and make it all black. As you can see, it has some switches to change it from cabled to wireless and from Mac to Windows. The plastic is good quality and the keyboard is pretty heavy. There's 2 different heights for the legs. So basically 3 different angles for the keyboard.